And we caught one here in Old Bridge. We caught the mama. There's baby ones up there. Not babies, but they're like a month old. They're coming up and down. I'm tempted to leave this one here, but it's getting cold. It's getting cold out. It's in the 40s and it's going to go into the 30s. So if I leave her out, she's going to she's not going to live overnight. So it's too bad I didn't have like a heat lamp. I have to invest in those. I could have put a heat lamp in there, like a light, and then to attract the little ones to come out and get trapped. So I could release them as a group. But the ones that we're seeing are like a third of the size of this one. They look identical, but it's like a third of the size. And it hasn't been any activity. So I already predicted that I was going to catch the mother right away. Yeah, there hasn't been any. Okay, yeah, something's been eating here. Something ate the peanuts here. I'll put one right next to it. Put one right in. So hopefully I'll go in there and trigger that. I have it kind of rigged up right now. The little one, he came from up there, up in that spot here, and he climbed down and he was like on the brick looking at me. So that's why I decided to put the traps here. But I caught the mom, so I'm going to take the mom back to my shop. I can keep her up to 48 hours until I catch the other ones, try to release them as a group. And I'll feed her. Even on a nice day, if it gets nice out tomorrow, it's going to be in the 60s. Might bring her back. Might bring her out here to attract the other squirrels that come out. Maybe I can trap them all as a group.